A cylinder brush outer wall is a highly efficient and durable cleaning tool designed for large surface applications, particularly in exterior wall maintenance, restoration, and finishing. Built in a cylindrical shape, this brush offers continuous 360-degree contact with surfaces, making it ideal for cleaning textured walls, removing dirt, dust, algae, and loose paint, or even prepping walls for painting or coating. Its bristles, often made from high-quality nylon, steel wire, or polypropylene, are engineered to withstand heavy-duty use while providing optimal abrasion without damaging the wall structure. The cylindrical configuration ensures uniform pressure distribution, which enhances cleaning efficiency and reduces operator fatigue. Typically mounted on specialized machines or rotary tools, cylinder brushes for outer walls allow for faster coverage of large areas, delivering a professional, even finish that hand brushes or small tools simply cannot achieve. In addition to cleaning, a cylinder brush outer wall is also valuable in surface treatment processes such as smoothing, polishing, and applying certain coatings. It is a versatile tool in industries ranging from construction to maintenance, capable of handling both smooth and rough surfaces, including brick, stone, concrete, and rendered finishes. Its rotating action reaches into grooves, crevices, and uneven textures, ensuring thorough results that traditional flat brushes might miss. Many models are designed for easy maintenance, with replaceable brush segments that reduce downtime and operational costs. By combining strength, precision, and coverage, the cylinder brush outer wall is a key asset for contractors, painters, and facility maintenance teams who demand speed, consistency, and quality in their exterior surface work. Whether used for routine cleaning or intensive refurbishment, it stands as a reliable and powerful solution for professional-grade wall preparation and upkeep.